Alright guys, we're back at it with the CFMoto CLX 700. This is the Heritage, and we have an upgraded exhaust. This is the KO Lightning. You can get this on eBay. I think I give like $190, something like that. Comes with a test pipe, gets rid of the huge cat. Comes with this, the bracket, the screws, the hardware, the springs. It comes with a dB killer, and it really restricts the motorcycle. It cuts back on the horsepower. So I'll put in the link the one that I bought and installed. You definitely want a dB killer. It will ring your ears without it, but I'll give you guys a brief start up and idle. Give you a few revs. I'll upload a little later some RPM ranges. I'll take it to my little spot.